friends, it's teacher Darcy, and we're going to talk about magical creatures, mermaids and unicorns and dragons. It's going to be so much fun. But first, I think a costume change is in order. And now I'm teacher Darcy, fairy godmother. It's fun to play dress up. I have a lot of costumes from a lot of things that I've done over the years. But you don't need a lot of fancy costumes to have fun and pretend and play dress up. Here are a few ideas I had back in October. To make some animal ears, you're going to need some scissors, some paper, and if you'd like, some tape, a headband, or clips, or bobby pins, or a crayon, or marker. Here's how you make cat ears. First, cut a clean piece from your paper bag. Then you're going to draw a triangle the size you'd like your ear to be. The bottom of that, you're going to make kind of a half circle. Then you're going to cut this out, put it back on, and you're going to trace it again so you have two that'll be the same size and shape. I'll show you another way to make two that are the same shape when I make my black cat ears. And now you have two teardrop shapes. You're going to cut a line from the middle up to about where the triangle would be. Now, I'm going to put this one on top and this one underneath, and you've made an ear. You can use a piece of tape to close it and tape it onto a headband, or you can use a little clip to tape it in your hair, or a bobby pin. Slide it onto one side of your opening and then slide this side right in there. And now you can use this to clip it in your hair. Let me show you another way. Any color you'd like. I'm going to make black cat ears, so I'm covering this with black crayon. It is the little ears. So now you're going to draw your triangle again. And now you're going to fold it in half. Holding on to both of them, you're going to cut around the teardrop shape. You have two. For dog ears, you just need to make a large oval. Remember this half circle in a teardrop shape. You're going to cut it right there, the cat ears, and fold it in. You clip them to your hair this way, then they're dog ears. If you clip them to your head this way, they're rabbit ears. Even the cat ears can be used for other things. Maybe they're fox ears. Or if you round them at the top, maybe they're wolf ears. Or deer ears, whatever your imagination brings. With my black ears and black shirt, I look just like Minerva. Meow. And now I have bunny ears. I took my gray jacket and my gray ears, and now I'm friend. You're just going to need your foil. Tear off the length. That's about as round as your head. And then all you're going to do, rinse it up together. Leave this side open a little bit. Round up the shape a little bit and stick it inside. Then squeeze it around, and there you have a cute crown. If you have stickers, you can add stickers to it, or just leave it as it is. With my pretty dress and pretty crown, I'm a pretty princess. Put on somebody else's clothes and be that person. I'm my dad. He has a mustache. Put on a plaid or stripy shirt and a floppy hat, and you're a scarecrow. Don't forget to mess up your straw hair. Some overalls and a stuffed animal, and you could be a farmer. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. There's a lot more ideas around the house. Your robe could be a pajama party. A towel could be a superhero cape. Have fun. Thanks for playing dress up with me, friends. Be safe, be healthy, and remember, you're so very loved.